Jadavadhi mama cheta Krishna padara vinde. Ever since my chitta, mama cheta, my heart, has been engaged at the lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Jadavadhi mama cheta Krishna padara vinde. Nava nava raso dhamanuddata rantamashit. I'm experiencing newer and newer joy, newer and newer pleasure, transcendental pleasure. So that is the meaning of getting the higher taste and losing all interest in lower taste. Somewhere Prabhupada gave the example. When you are extremely hungry, when you don't have anything to eat, you will eat whatever comes on your way, no matter how rotten it may be. But when you have a nice plate of Mahaprasad, then will you even look at the rotten food stuff? No. So that is the meaning of the higher taste. So, we are so fortunate that by Prabhupada's divine mercy, we found Krishna consciousness. We got the access to this most wonderful spiritual activity. And this activity is so wonderful that we so easily overcome the materialistic urges. On the other hand, we can see battles have been fought for this simple sex life. Helen of Troy, right? Homer's Iliad. The prince of Troy went to the kingdom of Greece, King Agamemnon, and there he came across Agamemnon's wife, Helen. She was a celebrated beauty. He fell in love and they eloped. And as a result of that, a battle was fought. The entire family was wiped out. The entire kingdom was lost. So this is how dangerous it can be. Like this appeal can lead to such situation that battles are fought and kingdoms are destroyed. Hundreds of thousands of people are killed. Whereas a devotee, because he got the higher taste, because he has transcended the bodily platform and become situated in a spiritual identity, even in a practicing stage, he can overcome these urges. So we found this most wonderful process, and let us take full advantage of this process.